You've been wanting to get on camera all day.
Look how she runs away shy.
You can see you. Hello. She's looking right at the camera. She's like, give me some food.
So, in this example here, the electricity passes through the wheel, through the electricity, to be able to put like watercolours in little things to be able to do some painting. But I use it for being able to put little pots.
You're out of shot. I was trying to tell you that you're out of shot. You need to push it back a little bit, towards you a little bit.
So what I use is one of these. Which is actually a small artist mixing palette, which I think I bought from Hobbycraft, which is only £1. So what I like to use is one of these, which is... That's it, I'm gonna have to... So what I like to use is one of these, which is a small artist...
Okay.
So what I like to use is one of these, which is an artist's small mixing palette.
Right.
This would be on the outtakes.
Right. A small... it's not me doing it now. It's not a small artist's mix.
An artist's mixing palette.
An artist's mixing palette for small people. Shit.
See?
From the top, A comes first. It's an artist's small mixing palette, not a small artist's mixing palette.
No.
Okay.
Right.
Be professional. You can do it.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. From the top. 3, 2, 1.
So what I like to use is one of these, which is an artist's small mixing palette, which I actually got from Hobbycraft, I think. It's only £1 or £2, and it's obviously designed for putting different watercolours in and being able to mix them up so you can do a nice painting. But it works very well for things like oiling, because it means that you can just drop a little pool of oil at the bottom of one of the little... What? What's wrong with that now? That's it now, isn't it? I was doing perfectly well then. And I used the word little because it is something small. And that's it. Oh, it's like working with amateurs. I'm going to be in my trailer. Can't work in these conditions.
They're too small.
Right.
Okay. Oh, that actually hurts.
I've got oil in that thing.
Oh, that actually... Oh, it hurts my ribs. I laugh so much. Right.
Right, so from the top,
yeah,
again.
From the top. Try again.
Right.
Okay. When you're ready.
So what I like to use is one of these, which is an artist's small mixing palette designed obviously for holding like little watercolour and no holding little watercolour. No, keep going.
Are we ever going to get back?
Yes.